Lift your head. Oh, Kyron. Hey. Hey, Stinky. Look at that. Look at that baby. You say hello? You say hello? Yeah. Oh, your feet cough. What you doing? Hey, baby. Hey. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Look at you. You're all stretched out. You ready for your 2-month appointment? Huh? What? What? Hi. Hi, baby. Yeah. Okay. You getting strong? Look at those legs. Look at the legs. Oops. Here. Oh my goodness. You were straight when we put you on this. No, baby. That's right. Put your head. I see you. I see you. I see you, Mr. Kyron. What you doing? What you doing? Oh no, it's dying on the couch. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, sugar. Baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah. What's a little bump? You thinking? What are you thinking? What are you thinking, Stinker? What are you thinking? Hi. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. Excuse you. Excuse you. What? Oh my goodness. What? What? Yeah. You're so silly. You're such a silly baby. Whoa, look at those arms working. Yeah. So look at your pillow. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.